Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn on enable developer mode in Oculus Quest. So let's go to the browser. Right here, developer.oculus.com and press enter. Here's the developer center. Go to my apps, this one. Then log into your account, Facebook account. Continue with Facebook. Then just drag down and you will find verification. Here's the organization name. I have already put my organization. You have to write your organization name. So if you want to get developer mode on, you must be verified your account. So if you want to verify your account, you have to go verification, then start verification. After verification your account, you will see developer mode here and you can turn it on. Okay, so guys, this is how you can turn on enable developer mode in Oculus Quest 2. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.